as I mentioned in my last garden tour, I'll do a video on harvesting and taking cuttings of my Sisso spinach. So I was looking around on Wiki, and it had Sisso spinach, or Brazilian spinach, listed as Alternanthia bacillus. Though what they had on the page looks nothing like what I'm growing here. It's very simple for cutting. Let's see, I'll take from that stem spot right there. So we need to and basically we'll just keep cutting like this. We'll take from this spot there. Putting in this colander so I can rinse it off when I'm done and cutting it up. Alright. Sure did overgrow quite a bit. And it looks like my jicama got wrapped up along with it. Yes, my jicama is wrapped around the Sisso spinach. I'm going to have to unwrap that. Alright, I've got the Sisso spinach all trimmed back and plenty harvested. Time to prepare it. Now that we have the spinach cut, it's time for harvesting. They're all washed off and ready to go. It's a very simple process. All we have to do is just take a piece, remove the lower leaves. I can definitely see why these things are called Sisso spinach. They have a very mild spinach-like flavor, and very crunchy too, as you can probably hear me crunching on the piece I just grabbed. Leave a little bit of the leaves in the top, and all along here where the leaves were, these are where the roots will grow from. So it's a good idea take from the last leaf node and cut it like that. So you have right where your leaf node is. You just keep harvesting up just like this. Each piece will go right into some water. Alright. This piece looks a little bit too short to use, so I'm just going to harvest all the leaves off of this. Each of these cuttings will grow into a new plant. Here we have two pieces here. We have two pieces here. We want to cut this piece off, so we have just a single little strand to work with. Some of my favorite uses of this plant are in salads or in soups. You can pretty much put them in just about anything you would use a green for. This is an interesting piece here because it looks like it's already beginning to form roots. See around where each leaf node was, root looks like it's beginning to form. It's probably laying on the ground. That's the reason why this part was starting to root. And there you have it. Our Sisso spinach cuttings and our harvest all in one go. Each one will become a new plant, which I have no idea where I'm going to put. And there's our roots. And the question now is, where do I put all these?